Hey everyone, today we are going to solve the LeetCode question, merge strings alternately. So you are given two strings, word1 and word2. Merge the strings by adding letter in alternating order, starting with word1. If a string is longer than the other, append the additional letters onto the end of the merged string. Return the merged string. So let's see the example. So you are given A, B, C, and P, Q, R, and the output is A, P, B, Q, C, R. Yeah, very simple question. So let me explain how to solve this question. Before I start my explanation, so let me introduce my channel. So I create a lot of videos to prepare for technical interviews. I explain all details of all questions in the video, and you can get the code from GitHub for free. So please subscribe my channel, hit the like button, or leave a comment. Thank you for your support. Okay, so let's jump into the code directly because this problem is not difficult. So I believe you can understand from my code. So first of all, create a merge and initialize with empty list. So I think there are several ways to solve this question, and this is one of example. And start looping for, let's say, A and B in. So I use zip. So zip function is very useful because we can get data from multiple lists at the same time. And let's say, so this is a word1 and a word2. And also this for loop will be stopped if we reach the end of like a shorter word. So if word1 is shorter than word2, so we stop the end of word1. So and then merged dot append and A plus B, and after that so we have to append the rest of word if we have. So merged dot append and word1 and from length of word2. So in this case is if word2 is shorter than word1, so we have a rest of word in word1 variable. So in that case, we have to add the rest of word from word1. So Python, we can do like this. And I copy this and change the word2 and the length of word1. So this is the opposite of this one. So if word1 is shorter than word2, so we have a rest of word in word2 variable. So just append word2. And then all we have to do is just return empty dot join and merge it. Yeah, so that's it. So let me submit it. Yeah, looks good. And the time complexity of this solution should be order of m plus n. So m is the length of word1 and n is the length of word2. That's because in the end we connect all character with join. So that should be also length of word1 plus word2, right? So that's why time complexity is order of m plus n. And the space also order of m plus n because we add all character into merge list. So that's why order of m plus n. Yeah, so that's all I have for you today. If you like it, please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, or leave a comment. I'll see you in the next question.